Install the lock cylinder. Keep the direction of the pedal and the lock cylinder in the same direction. Put it into the lock frame and then screw the lock cylinder. Install the gasket. With the arrow pointing to the top, align the center of the washer with the center of the lock core and align the oval with the screw hole on the lock frame and then screw on the screw. Align the notch on the lock body with the first notch on the washer. Push the lock body to rotate the lock body to the right, and then slightly tighten the screws a few times. No need to tighten too much. Install the battery. Remove the battery protective cover and the screws. Take out the battery compartment and put in 3 CR123A batteries. Screw on the screws and cover the protective cover. Scan the QR code on the menu to download the app. Click the plus in the upper right corner of the app page. Scan the QR code inside the lock body, name it, and select the door opening. Click the lock to enter the page. Slide the lock to the left and slide to the right to open the lock. Open Share. Click the plus sign in the upper right corner. Share via contact information. Enter the mobile phone number of the registered user. Select the start and end time and click the send key. Select the start and end time. Generate a QR code and send it to a friend. After the friend receives the QR code, click the plus in the upper right corner of the app interface to scan the QR code. The owner clicks the message in the upper right corner to view and confirm the unlock interface. Friends can refresh in the app sharing device interface. Click on the previous day or the next day to view the opening records of the day. Click the plus sign in the upper right corner, enter the mobile phone number of the registered user, select the available permissions and click OK. Click Settings to enter this page. Click the Transfer Lock, enter the name or contact information of the object to be transferred and click OK. Click Settings to enter this page. Click Remove Lock and click OK.